If you're a Pokemon fan and want to give your desktop a fresh, fun look, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to transform your Windows desktop with an amazing Pokemon theme. Let's dive in. First, let's take a look at our current desktop. Pretty standard, right? Now you can turn this into a Pokemon paradise in just a few steps. Step 1. You need a cool Pokemon wallpaper. Head over to your favorite wallpaper website like Wallpaper Access or Wallpaper Cave and search for Pokemon wallpaper. Find one you love and download it. Once downloaded, right click on your desktop and select Personalize and then Background. So choose your new Pokemon wallpaper and voila. To take it up a notch, let's customize our icons. Websites like Icon Archie have great Pokemon icons. Download your favorites. Now right click on any desktop icon, then select Properties, then change icon. Browse to your downloaded Pokemon icons and select one. Repeat this for all your icons. To really bring your desktop to life, add some Pokemon gadgets or widgets. Sites like Rainmeter have amazing skins. Download and install Rainmeter if you haven't already. Search for Pokemon skins on the Rainmeter site, download and install them. Customize your desktop with widgets like Pokemon clocks, weather, and more. And there you have it. Your desktop now has a fresh, fun Pokemon theme.